Hey, my name is Dan. I used to work at the biggest dealership in the country, and now I teach fine folks like you how not to get fucked when buying a car. Now, in this video, I'm gonna do a little some special. I mean, this is gonna be really amazing, okay? Now, I'm gonna call a dealership and then I'm gonna show you an example of a dealership. They're gonna tell me that they're not willing to sell me a car unless I come to their dealership. Does that make sense? Have you ever encountered this before? I'm sorry, you're gonna have to come to the dealership to get the best price. You're gonna have to come to the dealership for us to sell your car. Let me do a phone conversation here, and you're gonna be able to hear the whole thing. Let's get this party started. So I'm gonna go to a website here, a magical website for this dealership. Hey, can you please pull up a stock number for me?
Sure. What is that stock number?
L194940.
I have got a regular cab, long box, two-wheel drive.
You got it. I got a question. We're trying to buy this, but we're not located in your state. Would you be able to do a deal without me coming to the dealership?
No, sir. You would have to come here to take delivery.
Gotcha. Well, see, I don't want to spend my time driving or flying, spend my money on a ticket, and then most importantly, take time off work because, if I'm not working, who's paying for the truck? Would you be able to maybe somehow, sell it to me without me coming to the dealership? It's just a real hassle.
No, sir. You would have to come here to sign paperwork to take delivery.
Gotcha. Damn it. I was just hoping.
Where you from?
Yeah, I'm the furthest. I'm really far away from you.
How far is far?
Well, I'm calling from Alaska.
All right. Well, come on in, sir. No, you would have to come here, sir, to sign paperwork and take delivery and take it back to Alaska. Now
Yeah.
you could certainly fly in here, come over, do paperwork, fly out of here, and then you could have it shipped to Alaska.
Well, I mean that's gonna be more expensive, so I'm gonna have to pay for an airplane ticket to you, pay for a hotel, then pay for an airplane ticket back, and then pay for a car hauler to ship my car back to my home.
Unfortunately, that's exactly what you would have to do, sir.
That's yeah, that seems a little weird. I mean, so
In
there's
what way?
I mean the fact that you guys won't allow me to just buy a car without me having to fly to you. I mean, I bought cars before, and what we did was we did everything online and over fax and just over FedEx. We FedExed the paperwork to me, and then I signed it, FedEx it back. Literally within 2 days, the deal was done.
Right. Well, we can, we just don't do that here at our dealership, sir.
Gotcha. Alrighty, perfect. Thank you, I appreciate it.
Oh, well, thank you. Thanks for calling.
Not a problem. Bye-bye. All right, I put a microphone back on me so you can hear me a little better. Well, how do you like that? Let me do a little math for you guys. What this dealership wants me to spend about by my calculation. I'm not a mathematician. I wouldn't know how to do math if my life depended on it, but let's try. I didn't even finish high school. Let's try if we can do some math, okay? So, these beautiful people want me to spend, I don't know, $600, let's say, for an airplane ticket. I'm going to spend $600 on an airplane ticket. Then we're going to have to fly over there. Well, and guess what? I'm going to have to sleep somewhere. I'm not going to sleep in their fucking dealership. I'm not going to sleep on the street. So I'm going to have to spend money on the hotel. $150, $140, $130 a night. $140 on average for a decent hotel where I'm not going to have to share a room with some crack whore. I'm in their dealership. Signed in the paperwork. That's on the next day, right? I'm going to have to drive this car back. I'm not going to spend another $600 on, on the airplane ticket when I can just drive this car back. It wouldn't make sense, because if I spend money on the airplane ticket, I'm also gonna have to ship the car. So that's another $600 to, on airplane ticket. And then I'm gonna have to spend another $1,000 or maybe even more, depends how far you live, to ship this truck to my house. So I'm gonna have to drive this bitch back to save money. How long is it gonna, if I'm buying a car across the country and I'm not doing truck driver fucking 12-hour shifts or 14 fucking hours, right? Because it seems like, oh, it's easy to just drive for 12 hours. Yeah, it's not fucking easy to concentrate for 12 fucking hours. It seems easy, it's not, trust me. You do some 24 fucking hour driving, you tell me. Okay, how much are we gonna spend on gas? $200-300? Let's say only $200. And how long is it gonna take me? Like 5, so I'm gonna have to spend 5 nights in the hotel, so 5 times 140 a night, that's $700 plus $200 in gas. I'm going to have to spend at least $150 in food. At least. Because I'm not eating fucking bread and water my entire trip. And for me to, I'm going to eat like 4 times a day. I am so pissed off. If you cannot tell I'm pissed off, I am pissed off. Then I'm going to have to lose like 4 days of work. If somebody is buying a nice truck like this, they're not working at fucking McDonald's. They're not making $80 a fucking day. They're making $200-300 a day. What is that equal to? That's almost $1,000. I'm gonna put in $900 of work missing. $900 that you missed because you didn't work. That's $900 out of your fucking pocket. This is how much this dealership doesn't give a fuck about you. What is that equal to? By my math, again, I wouldn't know how to do math if my life depended on it. That's $2,500. That's $2.5 grand. $2,500. The next time a dealership is telling you you're gonna have to fly in or come in to sign the paperwork or take the delivery, you just give them a couple of these and don't fucking call them ever again. That is the best thing you can do. Can you believe that there's a dealership out there? And this is just one dealership. There's a bunch of them out there like this. There's a bunch of them out there. This is their policy. They can do that. It's not a problem. It's not a problem. It's like, let's say there was a burger joint where every time you want to buy a burger, you have to jerk off a fucking, a cashier. Now, oh, sure. Not a problem. If that's how you want to roll, I'm not buying my burgers there. That's for goddamn sure. But, different strokes for different folks. And some of them are definitely going to get it as a cashier. I tell you what. I don't know how the fuck this even is happening. And here's the best part. These beautiful people, I'm not going to call them pieces of shit or fuckers. These beautiful people are in business. Can you believe somebody actually buys cars from them? That's insane. That is literally insane. Huge thank you for watching this video. Click here to subscribe, watch one of those 2 videos, and click the share button below the video. Did you enjoy the video? Did you find it useful? Do you think you're gonna save some money with it? Abso-fucking-lutely you will. Share this video on Facebook with somebody else. This is Dan Strong with 60 Minute Car. I'm signing out and I'll see you in another video.